I'm Rick Crosslin here at the Children's Museum of Indianapolis for Scienceport News. In this episode, I'm going to show you what aluminum cans, newspaper, and plastic bottles, things that most people throw away, but I reuse for science. Let's go check it out. Three different 2-liter Coke containers, and here I have my fish down in there. So I cut the top off of one, I cut the middle off of another one, and I cut the top off this one. This one I have worms in it, and this is a compost, and so my worms eat those leaves. And then what happens is kind of cool, the sun, see how the sun gets these plants growing? So they give off oxygen, and then the fish lives in there. So we have water, land, and air. And so this is a really cool science thing. Would you guys like to make something like that one of these days? Well, next time, instead of throwing this away, try making one of these. So I got some scissors, right? They look like regular scissors. In science, we call that a lever. And so watch what happens. See if you can see anything. Yeah, this is kind of weird. Ready? Watch what happens. Ready? But look there. Look what happened. What's going on here? Let me try that again. Ready? Watch. I'm going to take it, fold it in half, cut it. But it doesn't cut. Little science magic. I like that. More science, less magic. I'm not very good at magic. You ready? Try it again. Cut it. Ready?
How does it do that?
How does it do that? That's a good question. I'll tell you what. I'm going to give you a hint. Take a piece of that and examine it and tell me what you think's going on here. What do you think's going on? You want to smell it or look at it? I'll try it again. Ready? What does it smell like? When I cut it, watch what happens. Ready? It smells like salt. Here we go. Ready? I'm going to cut it right there. And look. It's sticking back together. What I did was, I used some Elmer's glue. I used some Elmer's glue that it usually dries. When I put it down, before it would dry, I put baby powder on it to cover it up. And so, look.
Yeah, and then when you cut it, it kind of like goes together.
When I cut it, it goes together, it squeezes together. So this, I'm using this lever, and so it's not really magic. Oh, let me try yours, watch. Here, you cut it. Can you use scissors? Here, there we go, ready? Here we go, ready? And look, it stays together. Kind of cool. Yeah, you want to try it? Here, try a big piece. You take the scissors, okay? Let's fold it right here like that and cut it. Don't cut my fingers. Cut it like that, no, straight across there like that. Ready? And look, it stays on there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. But I got to show you one more thing. Yeah, you want to try it? Here, let me help you. I'll help you. All right, cut it right there. And look, it stays stuck. Very good.